Is the Find People Nearby feature missing on your Telegram? You're not alone. Many users encounter this issue. This feature helps you connect with people in your vicinity using Telegram. Let's explore how to fix this. First, ensure your location services are turned on. Telegram needs access to your location to function properly. Next, check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can affect this feature. If the problem persists, update your Telegram app to the latest version from the App Store. Lastly, try reinstalling the app. This step can resolve deeper issues and restore functionalities. After following these steps, check if the Find People Nearby feature has returned. If still missing, consider reaching out to Telegram support for further assistance. Remember to keep your app updated, as features change frequently. Stay connected and enjoy making new friends in your area through Telegram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy chatting on Telegram.